Hello. Morning time, so it's quite early still. Gonna do a bit of exercise there before we go out for the day. Got a couple of repair jobs on. We'll actually be able to see if we can get them in or not later on. But yeah, let's get some treadmill work in first. Can't beat a loaf of homemade bread in the mornings. We've got a bread machine, and every few days we'll throw one on at the end of it first. These big thick slices can't be Why have two small ones? You can have one big one. That's what she said. Right, so we're going into the office, and sure, see you there in a few minutes. Right. We're in the... Look at this shit here. There's always some fuckers parking in this unit. I think we'll have to do something about that. So yeah. Now what we're going to do is we're actually going to get some coffee beans before we head out for the day, because there's only one place that does the best coffee beans around. We got them recently. So yeah, we'll get the car cleaned out, get all the shit out, and go get some beans. Coffee boss in Kildare town. There we go.
Hi, how's it going?
Hello again. We've already gone through a bag of them beans.
Have you?
1 kilo.
You want another one?
Oh yeah, 100%. Literally drove here from Salons to get the beans.
Alright, there you go.
Might as well get a latte while we're here.
Absolutely.
Please, that'd be brilliant.
Latte, no sugars or sweeteners, or?
No, thanks. So I got some coffee beans. They're called Crone Blend. You can get it from that coffee bus in Kildare town. It's actually by an industrial estate. So yeah, got to do something first, personally, and then we're heading out to repairs. Hopefully we'll get a few in as well. It'd be brilliant. The customer's letting us do a recording of the repair, so you can come inside. So this is an older Bison Stairlift, and the older ones actually have batteries at the top, which work out half the price of changing compared to the newer one. The newer one used to use drill batteries. Yep, so we're good. So we need 3 of these. That's 2 40 volts, so just to be wary of it, and we'll just test the batteries. Firstly, we'll disconnect the power, because that could be giving us a false reading. This is just going to show the battery's full, and we'll do some tech checks there. We got 15. 12. 12. Okay. Now, here's an interesting one. One of these batteries is actually, see this? This battery acid. That's actually split there. So we'll change the 3 of these batteries and basically give it a lift of full service. So we're going to explain that to the customer. I'll just show you the lift. Okay. We'll try to go upstairs. You can actually see that code. Yes, dead as a dodo. Okay, so we have to get batteries for that stairlift. The customer was a really nice lady, but basically one of the batteries actually vented out. So I've explained to her anyway, 3 new batteries. It could have been worse because the newer models use a drill battery type of thing. So yeah, let's go and buy some batteries in Dublin. Yeah, they weren't really fond of recording in there, so it's really their loss. But yeah, got batteries. So got 15 of them in total because this lift takes 3. Usually stairlifts are taking 2. So I've got batteries, have some from other jobs. These are actually the batteries, UASA NP7s. So we have between them and them about 17 in total. And that's the Crowd Europower in Dublin. There we go. So basically an issue with the batteries, so we're going to change them. Just give it a check over as well. Test them batteries. $55. 57, and they're under load, they're gone. So they're showing about half full, even though they've been charging. Yeah, we're just in Newcastle and Wicklow at the moment. Lovely guy. He's letting us record here on site. It's a battery issue and it's a Thyssen Flow 2-way stairlift. So let's get the batteries. Well look, the stairlift end of things anyway, we'll, again I reckon, just change the batteries. We will give it a run up and down just to be sure. Yeah. Just so it gets, it can be setted. You can there yourself? Yeah, yeah. Because usually they should give warnings, and even if it got a low battery fault, it should be turning around and saying, right, you got a low battery, try it a couple of hours later.
Is that right?
Yeah, it's a catastrophic fault you got basically.
Yeah.
And it's just very odd to get that. really dead. Okay. One new one in. Just don't want to mix anything up. There we go. Customer's happy. All it needed was batteries. A lot of other companies would have written it off straight away. That's the difference with us.